How to download MX Player on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get MX Player installed on your device in just a few steps. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap the search bar at the top and type in MX Player. From there, tap on the app from the search results. Make sure it's the official one developed by MX Media. Right here, tap on Install and wait for the download to complete. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection. Next up, once the installation is finished, tap on Open to launch MX Player for the first time. Moving on, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Go through the initial setup by following the on-screen prompts. From here, grant any permissions the app asks for, such as access to your storage so it can find and play media files on your device. Finally, once everything is set up, MX Player will automatically scan your device for videos, and you'll be ready to start watching. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.